What does it take to end hunger in our local communities? It takes all hands on deck, a unique opportunity for your place of business to partner with Riverbend Food Bank and provide over 3,000 meals to stock the shelves for our hunger relief partners across 23 counties. At an all-hands event, you and your coworkers will pack 300 boxes of food for distribution, allowing you to work with us in a special way that makes an immediate impact on people experiencing food insecurity.
It's a great place that has an impact in the communities. The food bank is providing needed resources for families that are struggling to find food.
And that's not all. You'll also spend a few hours out of the office, creating connections to each other as a team, all working to accomplish the same goal: fighting food insecurity and nourishing your neighbors.
We volunteer, one, because it's the right thing to do, and two, because there's a need for it.
So join us for All Hands on Deck and be a part of helping us feed people today and end hunger tomorrow.